Hello everyone, I Asghar Ali, a student of Campus Law Center, University of Delhi, and an intern at UB Advocate under the guidance of Mr. Jeevan Prakash Sir, AOR Supreme Court. Topic of today's discussion is causing death by negligence. So it must be noted that original penal code did not have any provision for dealing with the death caused by negligence. Later on, in the year of 1870, Act 27 of the Indian Penal Code added Section 304A. Section 304A uses two terms. First, rash, and the second is negligent. To charge any person under this section, it is important to understand these two terms. Firstly, an act should be causa causans, that is, the primary cause of death, and not merely causa sine qua non, that is, an indirect act. Therefore, the relationship between the act and the death or injury resulting from it should be direct. Secondly, there is a difference between negligent act and rash act. A negligent act is a breach of duty that causes harm or damage to another person unintentionally. On the contrary, a rash act is the culmination of over hasty decisions and the recklessness on the part of the defendant. Thirdly, a rash act is generally a criminal act. A negligent act could be civil or criminal, depending on the gravity and the nature of the crime along with the degree of intention. Now the question arises that what are the types of negligence? So majorly there are three types of negligence. First is medical negligence, second is motor vehicle negligence, and the third is corporate negligence. There are some landmark judgments in cases related to the section 304A. First is Jacob Matthew versus State of Punjab. This landmark judgment decided in the year of 2005. Facts are simple. The family of Jeevan Lal, who died in a hospital, filed a case of criminal negligence against two doctors, namely Jacob and Alan Joseph. The plaintiffs claimed negligence on the doctor's part while procuring an oxygen cylinder. The defense argued that patient was at the last stage of cancer. He was not supposed to be admitted to any hospital. The Supreme Court argued in the favor of doctors, stating that a medical professional cannot be held liable if they are following the accepted procedure of medical practice. The second landmark judgment is Somabhai Mangalbhai versus State of Gujarat, decided in the year of 1988. In this case, accused was convicted for the death of 10-year-old girl. He was charged under section 304A of IPC, that is causing death by negligence. For the negligent driving of a motor bus, the defense claimed that the girl entered the road. There was insufficient evidence of the girl that she was coming out of the nowhere, and also the fact that the driver was driving on the wrong side. Hence, court sentenced the accused with 2 years of imprisonment along with the 500 rupees fine. After the discussion of section 304A, we have reached to a conclusion that the provision of section 304A under the IPC, it is important to offer a measure to justice to the claimants. It might give them some closure or at the very least compensate them if there has been a breach of duty that led to irreversible damage or loss of life or property. Thank you.